Welcome. If you're tired of seeing those little notification badges on your Snapchat app icon every time you get a snap or a chat, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off app icon badges for Snapchat notifications in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control everything related to your device, including how apps behave and notify you. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This will open a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now, find and tap on Snapchat. This will take you to the app's specific settings, where you can manage permissions, storage, and notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. Here you'll see all the different notification options available for Snapchat. From there, tap on Notification Categories. This section allows you to control specific types of notifications instead of turning everything on or off. Now look for snaps and chats and tap on it. This is where Snapchat manages alerts for incoming snaps and messages. Finally, you'll see an option called App Icon Badges. Simply toggle this off. Once disabled, Snapchat will no longer show those badge counts on your app icon.